Assalamu alaikum. I am Ms. Sidra Bird. I am your social studies teacher. Hope you are fine. Today we will start our new lesson, lesson number 6, Thanks. Now take out your social studies book and open page number 26. Today we will do page number 26 and 27 of your book. First write down the date, homework and day at the top of the page. Unit number 6, Things. Look at these objects. Here we have window, cupboard, glass, cooker, toys, tap, comb, chair, telephone, vase, spoon, lamp, table, joggers and dustbin. What are these objects called? इन ऑब्जेक्ट्स के डिफरेंट नेम्स हैं जो कि मैंने आपको बता दिए हैं. हाउ आर दे यूज्ड? इनको किस तरह इस्तेमाल किया जाता है? ये जो चीज़ें हैं, थिंग्स हैं, इनको कैसे इस्तेमाल किया जाता है? लाइक विंडो प्रोवाइड्स अस नेचुरल लाइट एंड एयर. Cupboard is used for putting cups, dishes, toys, etc. Glass is used for drinking water, milk or juice. Cooker is used for cooking food quickly. Tap is used for washing hands and dishes. Comb is used for combing hair. Chair is used for sitting. Telephone is used to communicate with another person. Toys are used for playing. Dustbin is used for throwing garbage, wrappers, etc. Vase is used for decoration. Spoon is used to eat food. Lamp gives us artificial light. Table is used while eating or writing. Joggers are used for walking. Now you will see many of these things in a house. Take care of them. आप घर में इनमें से बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखेंगे. हमें इन चीज़ों का ख्याल रखना चाहिए. Keep everything in its proper place. हमें ये जो things हैं इनको इनकी proper place में रखना चाहिए. There are advantages of keeping things in their place. It looks tidy. It's easy to find the things when you need them again. Things don't get lost. Here I have some objects: knife, scissors, mug. A knife is used to cut food into smaller pieces. And scissors is used for cutting paper, cloth and rope, etc. And mug is used for drinking hot drinks such as tea, coffee, milk, etc. Now look at these questions. Question number 1. How many things in the picture begin with the letter C and P? तस्वीर में कितनी चीज़ें हैं जो लेटर B और लेटर C से शुरू होती हैं? Let's find out. C for cupboard, cooker, chair, comb. Now next letter is B. B for beer and B for ball. आपने जस्ट इन क्वेश्चंस को ओनली डिस्कस करना है. Now look at the question number 2. Are there any things which begin with the letter H? क्या ऐसी कोई चीज़ें हैं तस्वीर में जो लेटर H के साथ शुरू होती हैं? Now find it. On page number 27, first we will write down the date, homework and day. The proper place, मुनासिब जगह. We keep our things in cupboards and drawers. What are these things called? इन चीज़ों को क्या कहते हैं? Here we have 6 words: plate, cup, ball, jug, glass, a cupboard. Look at these things and then write their correct names in the given blanks. First is plate. You will write down plate. Now बाकी आप खुद से लिखेंगे. Anam and Yasir put away their clothes neatly. अनम और यासिर ने अपने कपड़े अलग अलग सफाई से रखे हैं. Whose clothes are these? Look at this picture. Here is Yasir and Anam. They are keeping their clothes in the cupboard. These are Anam and Yasir's clothes. Questions. Question number 1. Where do you keep your toys? आप अपने खिलौने कहाँ रखते हैं? In a toy box, in the cupboard or on the shelf. Now look at the second question. Where do you keep your box? आप अपनी किताबें कहाँ रखते हैं? In the bag or on the shelf. You will write down the answers of these questions in front of them. We should take care of our things. We should keep our things in proper place after using them. हमें अपनी चीज़ों का ख्याल रखना चाहिए और हम अपनी चीज़ों को इस्तेमाल करने के बाद उनको उनकी जगह पर रखना चाहिए. Hope you got it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.